Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, it is time for another update. It's only been 24 hours since the last one, but I've been at it all day. I say all day, I've been at it for a few hours, but we've done stuff. I'm working with the father-in-law, over there just cleaning up a laser measuring thing. And I'm making the video because I need input, I need help, I need advice. I don't really know where to go for this. And I know a lot of you guys have given me some great input in terms of this drainage system that I am in the process of doing. So let's show you what the progress is. So I knew I needed to hook up to the daylight drain, right? Everyone has told me that, and so we went to the effort of getting one of these great big pneumatic drill type things.
Got a smell for the camera?
Yeah, smashed through all of the concrete because there was a pipe here. We could see a pipe, and I had assumed that the pipe went straight down. So I figured from here I could meet the pipe and have it drain away. But it turns out the pipe didn't go straight down, it went at an angle. This pipe here used to be down there like that. Oh, that's pulling away that drain there. This part of the house is actually an extension, so I assume that all of this system here is in place to take the water off down there. So what I'm looking for is someone that might have some sort of idea on the best way, what I need to do to manage to get this French drain to somehow connect into this system. I'm happy, of course, I'm more than happy to get an expert here in the house. But what I have found so far from dealing with these types of people is everyone makes out like they're an expert. They come and they look at things and they give you their thoughts on what they think that they do, and then you never hear from them again. I have had so many people come over here to do work on this house, and they turn up, they give you a quote, and then they just never get back in touch with you. It's actually quite astonishing because, you know, you've got money, happy to pay you. Come over, give me expert opinions and help. What sort of person am I looking for this? I'll get right in there so you can see it. Absolutely no idea. But like I say, it's dug now. The concern, of course, is when I look at this is maybe 9 or 10 inches below the ground concrete level here. And of course, the plan is for the drain to go from all the way down the end, off all of the guttering, downspout, through the French drain, and to that point. But the idea of that drain is that we're using gravity to send the water in a direction, right? We angle the drain so it goes down. So by the time it gets to this point down here, I would expect it to be probably a bit lower than that. Genuinely, guys, have absolutely no idea at this stage. But I'm very much a plow ahead kind of guy. My father-in-law is laughing as I say that because he sees that all the time. He's like, well, you know, should we go and consult an expert? And I'm like, no, we're going to dig. But why? What if there are more problems? Doesn't matter. No matter what happens, we need to dig more. No matter what happens, we need this trench done. So we just plow ahead. So I'm making good progress. I have, in fact, why don't I go into the actual studio itself, because I have done the painting in there now. That's all done. Step over the trench. Try not to fall over like I almost did in the last video. Moment of truth. Don't fall over, Levi. Don't make an ass of yourself. Ah. We have a completely secured floor now, hopefully. Now, no water is going in the direction of this building anyway, but worst case scenario, if a drip or two goes towards the building, this will make sure that that isn't an issue. So yeah, anyway, there you go. French drain concerns, any input whatsoever would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching all the videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your enemies, go listen to the Guitar Souls podcast, and I will see you for another video soon. Bye fuckers.